ये जंजीरों में कोई बांध नहीं सकता हमें साहेब.
चलो यहाँ से. Welcome from another Polish city, Poznan. As you can see, Bhakti also joined us for the trip. This is third biggest Polish city. It's closer to Germany if you are coming from west.
Just 3 hours, right?
Yeah,
Berlin,
3 hours from Berlin. 3 hours from Berlin. And during summertime, it's quite happening. But दिन की शुरुआत करने से पहले थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा. So let's find some good breakfast place, right?
Yeah.
Girls,
Yes. Yeah,
let's go for the breakfast.
But food is
Recommended.
just heard that goat is very famous here in Poznan. Bhakti, what's the story behind goat?
Is this clock tower which is behind me. It was burned down by fire, and then they want to rebuild it, and now they wanted some symbol which comes out. So when they were celebrating, there was this cook who was supposed to cook something. He had planned deer leg for food. But then what happened?
Deer leg.
Yeah.
Okay.
While he was going and seeing the tower getting rebuilt and everything, that deer got overcooked. And
Okay.
it got
Food
he
burnt.
went and got some goats, two
Okay.
goats especially. Now what happened is those two goats were tied down and everything, and he was supposed to cook them. But those two goats escaped and started headbutting each other and
Okay.
fighting.
Okay.
At the end, this goat never ended up on anyone's table, and maybe they figured out what they want to cook.
And they
later.
love those two
And-
goats, and they
yes.
celebrated the goats.
Yes,
which I
and
like.
then it is
Very
what
unique.
is symbol
Yeah.
of
Poznan
this
now.
Poznan, yeah. And even if you come around 12, you can go up and see there are those two mechanical goats which are headbutting each other.
Yeah.
You can see it as a symbol of the clock tower.
So in Poznan city center only, there is a small hilly kind of area, not exactly hilly, but there are few steps, and upwards there, a small castle. Its name is
Zamek Królewski, literally translating to King's Castle. Let's go.
It gives a very beautiful view of the city. That's what we heard. So let's go and check this place out.
can see the view of the Rennick from here. That's the old town. Hi. How's Poznan for you?
Really pretty, really hip, party place.
Do you recommend Poznan
Of course.
to people?
Of course. During summertime, 10 on 10. Winter में, I don't know. It's another day in Poznan and we are next to this beautiful pink church. Unfortunately थोड़ी सी बारिश शुरू हो गई है, but never mind. ऐसा सब तो होता रहता है, right? But next to the pink church, there is a famous, the celebrities of the town, around the city I would say, the goats.
And now I'm going to inject it. Okay? And I want to put the flavor in the middle of our job. Just in the middle. Okay. And now I want you to go downward. A little suspicious, but we won't do it.
आदित्य खंडाला
नहीं
मुंह पे बेइज्जती
baby calm down
Calm, chaotic, and
crazy